Hey, I'm Pat with Rugged Ridge. We're here at the SEMA show. I want to show you these new Fortis tube doors. This is a great full frame tube door. It's a rattle-free design, 50 millimeter continuous tube all the way around. Really gives you a great door appearance. But one of the best features on this is the rotary paddle handle, or the rotary handle, and how easy it opens and closes. This is not your slam it shut door that you're so used to seeing. This is an easy setup. So your hinges are adjustable, as you'll see here. So you can simply get your pins adjusted to where your door is, lock them into place, and that's all the installation you need to do. This product comes with a 5-year warranty, as all of our products do. We also offer the front doors with or without mirrors. So you can option in an OE style mirror, or you can get them without.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.